Top 6 Programming Languages. JavaScript remains a top choice for web development in 2023, whether for front-end or back-end applications. With over 17 million developers worldwide utilizing it, JavaScript empowers the creation of dynamic and interactive online experiences. Python consistently ranks as one of the most sought-after programming languages. Its apparent ease of learning, owing to its straightforward syntax, belies its true potency. Guido van Rossum, its creator, prioritized code readability and simplicity, providing developers with a clear, concise, and versatile language. Java, first introduced in 1996 and updated in March 2023, maintains its status as one of the most in-demand programming languages. Renowned for its power as an object-oriented programming (OOP) language, Java empowers developers to create modular and reusable code, simplifying the development of complex applications. Rust's popularity continues to surge, making it the second fastest growing language, following HCL, with a 50% rise in GitHub community participation in 2022. Rust is increasingly used in machine learning, data processing, and systems architecture roles in 2023. HCL, also known as HashiCorp Configuration Language, has experienced remarkable growth as one of the most sought-after programming languages in 2023. With a 56% increase in community engagement on GitHub in 2022, this language is reshaping practices in the field of infrastructure automation. Golang is rapidly gaining popularity, offering a gateway to new opportunities and even potential employment at Google, given the company's substantial reliance on the language. Thank you for watching this video.